Hey, greetings from SIG. Hope you're all doing well, having a great year. Q4 2017 year's really flying by, but it's been a great productive year. Hopefully you guys have been having an excellent year. So just want to take a few minutes today to talk about a new building standard called Fitwel. It's very similar to the well building standard. It follows along the same trend as that in sustainability that's been very popular, a lot of buzz about health and wellness. So this program is designed to give you some guidelines on how to operate your buildings to be more to be healthier for your occupants, so that they're happier and more productive. So this one was created by the CDC and GSA. They've actually piloted on 80 or so of their buildings and had great results so far. They found 63 evidence-based design and policy strategies that studies show have proven to really enhance the health and wellness of building occupants. So they've kind of assembled this all into a guideline that you can use to make your buildings healthier and even get this Fitwel certification. It's available for people also. You can be a Fitwel ambassador, just take a $250 course and 50-question exam, or your company can easily become a Fitwel champion and say that you're going to take some or all of your buildings through the Fitwel certification. But these evidence-based strategies focus on 7 main health impact categories, kind of denoted by some of these icons here. This is their logo, and they touch on things related to your health, promoting healthier foods, increasing your physical activity at the building on site, and reducing death and absenteeism. So we're not going to touch on everything, but want to introduce this program to you because it's a great option, especially because it's less expensive than the well building standard. It's easy to use, and one of the biggest upsides is there's no prerequisites or things you have to do, just a combination of points that you get from these 63 strategies, which can be broken into 12 different categories. And if you earn 90 points, you can get 1 Fitwel star and go up from there. The more points you earn, the more stars you can get. You can get 1, 2, or 3 stars in this certification. So the categories touch on everything from where the building's located, how you get to and from. Do you have direct access to public transit? Do you have an outdoor garden or walking trails to promote exercise and activity? Do you have floor mats in your entrances to cut back on the dust and dirt particulates, help your indoor air quality? Are your stairs visible from the elevator? Do you promote your stairs? Are they connected to all the floors of the building? Do your workspaces have shading to reduce glare from daylight coming in from the windows? Do you have shared spaces like lactation rooms? Kind of an interesting, unique concept here with Fitwel. Do you have water fountains on every floor, or do you have water bottle refilling stations? Do you promote healthy foods by offering price incentives in your cafeterias or even your vending machines? And do you have some emergency procedures in case of emergency? Might help save people's lives. So again, we're not going to go too in depth, but just to give you a quick glimpse of what some of the features kind of entail and some of the points that you could earn for these different concepts. Let's just take a look at a few. This is the entire first category, location. These first 4 features, really it's 2 main concepts here. One being your walk score, the other being the fact that you're located within a half a mile or 800 meters of public transit. So if you are, you could get 4 points for that. If you have your walk score is based on a website, you can put in your exact area, your zip code, and see what your walk score is. In this example, if you had 95 points, let's say, then you would earn not only the 5 points for being in that tier, but everything below, you would actually earn 13.33 points. So a lot of points based on your walk score. And then if you're promoting stairs, you can get 4.33 points, or even just having a stairwell, you're going to get some points. But in the case of a 1-story building, they're going to give you some alternative compliance points because the thinking is that you're going to be walking around the floor more than just taking an elevator in a vertical building. And then an example of an emergency policy would be having an AED, automated defibrillator, which could help save someone's life. You get some points for that. So great program again. One of the biggest pros is that there's not going to be anything holding you back. There's no prerequisites or requirements. It's not too expensive. It's $500 to register and $6,000 for the certification. So Well Building Standard has an assessor and is brand new, so costs are still very high there. This is a much less expensive option, and still touches on some of the main features and concepts to promote health and wellness. So we've been hearing a lot of buzz around the industry about Fitwel, and just want to introduce it to you and let you know we have a dedicated page on our website, www.sigearth/Fitwel, which has a lot more info. And of course, we're always here. We love your questions and having conversations with you about what you're looking at doing, what kind of certifications you're interested in. And if this is one, we'd be happy to talk to you more about, help you either be an ambassador or champion, or try it out at your building. Again, a lot of proven results already from the pilot that they've done with the GSA buildings, and we know that this is going to be something helpful to a lot of people. So let us know what kind of questions, what you want to talk about. Always here to help, and appreciate your time. Until next time, all the best.